Thank you so much, Mahesh Garu. Hello everyone. Happy afternoon. सभी को राम राम. जय श्री राम. अच्छा लगता है ना सुन के? How many of you are well versed with Hindi? How many of you know English? And how many of you don't know Telugu? I can understand Telugu, but difficult in what I speak. And when I speak, you will forget Telugu. So friends, my name is Senator Abhinay Barmecha. I am the Zone Vice President of JCI Zone 12. As mentioned by Mahesh, JCI is an international organization. International organization known as Junior Chamber International. It was founded in the year 1915. So 2015 was the 100th year of JCI organization. We are in the year 2023. So it is almost 115 years old, almost 110 years old organization. Let me start by giving a small brief. When we were born, did we know anything? Language, recognizing members or recognizing people, ways to do things. Did we know anything? We were totally wrong. We even did not know how to raise our hand, how to point a finger. We only knew one thing, that was language, sign language, indication. Whenever a baby, you see a baby whenever it is hungry, it cannot ask for food, but it definitely cries. So that is how the mother knows that the baby is hungry. So that is the only communication nature has given us. All other communication, now that we are talking, you are understanding, you will speak, I will understand. These are all learned by us. Nature has not given them. Then as you grew, you first mother, first teacher for any individual will be his or her mother. That is the person who will teach you everything in life. The basic things. As you grow, you have gone to school, you have done your colleging, you have done your PhDs or maybe higher educations. Everywhere there is learning. Did you ever find learning stopping? Learning. Has anybody stopped learning in this life? At every point in life there is called learning, and JCI is that organization which will help you learn. आप लोग, you have studied subjects in schools, concepts in universities, but is there any university which teaches how to live life? Any organization which teaches you, any university or any class which can teach you how to live life? Anybody who can say, yes, I have seen an institute, I have attended a college which tells you how to live life? Anybody from here? Senior sir, Vijay Bhaiya, have you ever seen any university which teaches you how to live life? Nature teaches you how?
Platform.
Nature is a platform. But yes, friends, there is only one organization, the entire universe I can tell, which will teach you how to live a life. This is University for Life called JCI, Junior Chamber International. The founder of Impact Foundation, Gampa sir. You can anytime, if you have any, how many of you have met Gampa sir personally? So whenever you find a chance to meet him, ask him, sir, what is the secret behind your success, secret behind you becoming such a wonderful trainer? His answer will be only one thing: I joined JCI. JCI has helped him become a leader, and he is on a mission to make more such leaders through JCI Foundation. But the parent, the mother organization will always be JCI, Junior Chamber International. So what does JCI do? What is the benefit if anybody joins JCI? How many of you are businessmen? How many of business? Which business are you in? Medical distribution. Medical. How many of you are into professions? Who are professionals here? If I can ask you what profession you are from? Okay. Sir? Police department. Sir? Teacher. So mostly teachers. How many of you are into any other profession apart from software developer? Your employment. Yes. Achha, for anything when we talk business, profession or employment, every year what do you see? What do you want? In your business, in your career, in your profession, what do you want?
Growth.
Exactly. Everybody is answering what? Single answer, that you don't have different opinions on that. The answer was single, that is growth. Money. See, once you grow, money will follow. If you go behind money, you will not, it is not definite that you will grow. Growth is important. And how growth will happen? Learning, okay, learning is one part. Only if we learn and we don't implement, then what? Skills, efforts, right. But we are missing one very important resource that we have. And we have never thought about that. That is a very important resource for any business profession or career to grow. So the information is available now. Network. The important aspect that we have missed in any business, profession or career is network. The larger network you have, the larger reach you will have, the larger people will know you. And once you are known, automatically growth will happen. Sir, you are into which business? You said pharmaceutical, medicals. What name? Srivani Medicals. How many people of, it is located in Nizamabad? How many people here know Srivani Medicals? Before I spoke, your name, sir? Ramesh. How many people here know Ramesh from Srivani Medicals? Before. Sir, can you please stand up? Look at everybody here. And just tell, I am Ramesh from Srivani Medicals.
I am Ramesh, Srivani Medical Industry. Location Nizamabad, Chandranagar. Opposite Padmashala High School. Nizamabad, Chandranagar. Opposite Padmashala High School. Srivani Medical. My name is Ramesh.
Specialty.
Now, how many people of you know Ramesh from Srivani Medicals opposite in Nizamabad? Everybody. How? Network. If suppose somebody wants medical products from your network, from your contact number, whom will you refer? Important of network. This is important of network. And how do you get that network? Free network. This is a platform that you have created. How many? Almost 40-50 members. Now I can definitely tell will be your customer if they require any medical needs. They remember Ramesh from Srivani Medicals. So this is a platform that you have created. We have created. Same platform. Think 66,000 plus members if they know Ramesh from Srivani Medicals across India. What will be the reach of the business? You imagine, sir, Ramesh sir, you imagine if you want to start a business in Hyderabad, a branch in Hyderabad, a branch in Coimbatore, branch in Delhi. What do you want? What is stopping you now? Funds is one part. We will not talk about funds because funds we can get. But what is the important thing that is lacking, that we are not growing? You don't know anybody in Coimbatore. He doesn't know anybody in Delhi. He doesn't know anybody in Hyderabad. Maybe that is the reason that he is not able to go and tap that market. What if suppose you know somebody in Hyderabad through a common platform? 100%. You will talk on that person, hey friend, hey bro, I am coming to Hyderabad. I am thinking of starting one branch there. Will you help? Ah, definitely. You are JCA member, I am JCA member, definitely we will talk. If we go to Delhi and we find someone speaking Telugu, how do you feel? Hare, Manavadu. Right? Same thing JCA members also did. I called Senator Vijay Bhaiya that 2 days back I told him, I just informed him, Bhaiya I am coming to Nizamabad. He felt so happy, he created one big flyer. Welcome Senator Abhinay Barmecha to Nizamabad. 2 days he is calling, sir, when are you starting? Abhinay bhai, when are you coming? Today morning also when I started, 10 o'clock he called, have you reached? Mahesh is also continuously contacting. Okay, Mahesh so invited me, so in this it was his duty. But when he came to know that the JCA member is coming to Nizamabad, he has come all the way, leaving his duty today. But yeah, right?
Yeah, thank you.
This is how you feel. And how many of you know pearls? Moti. What do you call in Telugu?
Mutyalu.
Motyalu. Yes. Where do you find them? Huh.
रेडीमेड आता होगा, रेडीमेड मिल जा रहा.
That is called shell. Seashell. Where do you find a seashell? Oyster is the sea. So if you are walking on a sea, the beach, you are walking on the beach. Beach is what? The corner edge of the land and the water. If you are walking on the beach, will you find that pearls? No. You have to dive deep into the water to find that. So when we are expecting we have to grow, and just we are walking on the beach now. Now it's time to dive deep into the water to get that pearls. This is an opportunity for you all to dive deep into the water to get Mutyalu. See, this is a new learning that I have learned, this new word. And how do you do that? JCA. JCA is a platform, it is a buffet table. How many of you are hungry now? Mahesh, only 3 people are hungry, so we can continue till 2:30. Buffet table. It is a buffet table. JCI is a buffet table. You have so many varieties of items kept. You like curry, you take curry. You like dal, you take dal. You like Manchuria, you take Manchuria. Somebody likes sweet, they take sweet. So there are like this. There are 6 areas of opportunities in JCI. One is important, business. First area of opportunity is business. Business in the sense it could be profession, it could be career, anything, but we have termed it as a business. Because to do business is my business, to do business is your business, and to be in business is our business. This is the area that everybody will earn. Second thing is growth and development. When I talk about growth, everybody said growth. Growth is possible only through network. This is a platform. I am talking about 66,000 members in India. I have not touched international areas. I have not touched Asia Pacific region. I have not touched USA region. Potential, you can connect there. Connect with members there also. Second area of opportunity is growth and development. Third area of opportunity is programs. Programs in the sense, see, whenever you have God who has blessed us financially, if we are very हम हिंदी में बोलते संपन्न, मतलब we are very good in earning financial, our financial position is good. So when God has blessed you financially, it is not only important that you raise your standard of living. What is important is you also raise your standard of giving. When you are taking something from the society, it is our responsibility to give something to the society. So programs, in the sense, we are developing communities here, developing areas here. As an individual, we develop ourselves first. Then comes our family, then comes our society, then comes our community. So this is an opportunity to be a leader. We have seen many things in our colonies also, in our areas also. There are so many people staying in residential areas. There are so many people staying. But there will be only one person who will be known as a leader there. That Gully ka leader bolo, ya that community leader, the housing society, there will be only one leader. Why? Why is that?
Because leader helps them.
No, because he has taken the first step. We were thinking about anything. There was some problem in the society, nobody came forward. But that was that one person who came forward and stood and said, boss, this is wrong. There was some menace. Nobody, we see there is a lot of garbage piling up there. But every people in the society, they ignored. But there might be one person who said, "Arey, this is bad, remove it." He will call to GHMC or maybe that municipal corporation get it removed. He has taken. So he will automatically he will become a leader. If any problem is there, we know only one person to go who can get things done. He is that person. So this is the opportunity that JCI gives you to become the leader, that type of leader. People should look upon you. People should be dependent on you. If there is something, I want to get this thing done, how? I know if I want something to get things done in Nizamabad, I know I have so many leaders here. I have Vijay Bhaiya, I have Mahesh here. That is it. Third is PR and marketing. How many of you are on marketing background? Marketing. How important is marketing? In Hindi there is one sentence which is called "जो दिखता है वो बिकता है." That is only because of marketing. How many of you have heard this brand? Grohe, Kohler, Jaguar, Parrywear. These are all sanitary brands I am talking. How many of you know Hans Grohe, Lawrence and Keith? These are also sanitary wear brands. But no marketing, no PR. Nobody knows that. Last important thing is training. 6 areas. We have covered 5 areas. The last important thing is training. It gives you an opportunity to become trainers like Gampasar. How did Gampasar become such a great trainer? Through this platform, through the network of JCI, through the trainings that he has learned from JCI. We have a lot of international trainers in JCI. Sir, good morning. So friends, very good platform, very good network, very good people. And you also, we are all very good individuals. But we don't want to just stay individual. We want to be called as very good leader. And it is our responsibility to become leaders and develop in whatever areas we are in. You call it your home, your society, your business, your profession, your country. Only leader can change. Individuals cannot change. अगर इंडिविजुअल चेंज कर सकते थे तो इंडिया वुड हैव सरपास्ड all countries. Because as an individual we don't change, but as a leader we definitely change. So there is something which I have. Icebreaker we have already done. We know Ramesh from Srivani Medicals. See, this is what JCI is talking about. It says, why JCI? What is the mission of JCI? Can anybody read loudly? Written here.
To provide leadership developments opportunities that empower young people to create positive change.
To provide leadership development opportunities, not just development opportunities. It is not just development opportunities that this organization is giving. It is providing leadership development opportunities that will empower, not old, because we are never old, to empower young people to create a very positive change. Positive change, as I said, it could be you, it could be your family, society, country, wherever you are. And the vision, what does this JCI has its vision to? It says to be the foremost global network of young leaders. I said network is very important. And this organization is talking about network of foremost global leaders. To be the foremost global network of young leaders. This is what JCI's vision is. Areas of opportunities. I missed one important area also, sorry. Management. If we have some pelli in our house, what is the first thing that we do? Pelli means marriage. I know that word. Because I am affected by that. What is the first thing that we do when we have somebody getting married in our house?
Searching for
No. Everything is done, sir. Boy, girl, they have met, families have agreed. Now we have to start the function ceremonies. What is the first thing that we do? Needs. Important thing. First thing is date. Second thing is venue. That's what functional venue. Where do we want to? If the date, venue is not matching, first we go reverse. First we'll check venue, on which dates it is available. Then we'll go to Pantulu and we'll tell, Are on these days, is it good Muharram? It starts with planning, management. How you manage? You manage this way or you manage this way. Ultimately, what is the goal? The marriage should happen. Then we say, we invite people, we call people. At home, they will sit and everybody. Your duty is food department, you take care. Venue department, you take care. Whenever any guest is coming from outside, conveyance, taking in, you take care. It is all management. It starts from our house. Management starts from our house. But detailed management, flawless management, this will help you. This organization will help you getting that. Second training already covered. Top trainers you have in India. JCI gives you for free. It is only that staying charges or food charges that you have to pay. But trainers, the training, the knowledge that they are giving, that is completely free. Same, there is one training module called ABLE, ABLE, Academy for Business Leadership and Excellence. That is a 4-day program. It is conducted in a 5-star hotel. Trainers are top class business coach who are empaneled in big business groups, Reliance, Adani, RP Goenka Group. So those people, they coach the managers in that company. Those people take that ABLE coaching for JCI members. And if you out of JCI, if you go and attend that program, it is 1.5 lakh rupees for 4 days. 1.5 lakh rupees for 4 days. In JCI, it is subsidized for 25,000 plus GST. That type of coaches, when they talk, when they give their experiences, when they give their insights, your mind will work in a different direction. We have never thought in that way, but their experience, their knowledge, the way they conduct themselves, the way they have done something and they have achieved, they will share. This is a platform that gives you subsidized trainings by top class trainers. These are certain training programs, EPS, CAPP. EPS stands for Effective Public Speaking. How many people are confident, even if 50 members, 500 members, 5,000 members stand in front of you, and if I give you one topic and you can talk flawlessly for 5 minutes? So out of 40, I can see only 4 hands, 10%. So remaining 90%. I was also in the 90% category. Whenever they call me, sometimes in school time also, debate competition, elocution, jam, just a minute. But by chip system they used to take the name. If my name comes, I will stand, my all hands will become wet, sweating, shaking, I don't know what to talk, fumbling. But here they tell you how to overcome that. Everybody are speakers, but everybody knows how to talk. In their mind, in your mind, when I am talking, I give you one topic. If I give you one topic, one name, everybody's mind will start working. You will have ideas what to talk, but when you come here, how to talk is a problem. What to talk you know, but how to talk, how to deliver what I am thinking is the problem. That techniques EPS will, in EPS you will learn. How to connect your mind and your tongue. It is only this much distance. But because of this distance, everything goes, either it could be top class or it could be third class. CAPP. CAPP stands for Chairmanship and Parliamentary Procedures. All Parliament MPs, MLAs in assembly, they you see how they present the bill, how they raise their hand, how the speaker is sitting, how somebody recognizes himself and speaks. There is a proper protocol through which it happens. It's not like a fish market. I will not. It's not like a Pakistan parliament. There they throw chairs also. If you are not listening, speaker is not listening, is not giving chance, you take that chair and throw. The speaker will ask you talk. India, UK, USA, all these sober countries, they have a proper protocol. And all MPs, JCI is the organization which teaches how a member of parliament should behave in a parliament. It is the organization. Our leaders go and teach them. Chairmanship and parliamentary procedures. And the same thing applies for your businesses also. And it is not like only an MP or MLA will have to learn that. Even if you want your team is sitting here, you are a team. I will give you one topic, give a good name for your team. How will you decide? We will discuss, but whose suggestion will you take and give them? How will you decide best? CAPP will tell you how to get your words convinced by others. I need someone to translate.
సమాజానికి ఏదైతే అవసరం ఉందో, మనం ఎవరికైతే ఏదైతే చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నామో, మనకి ఏదైతే అవసరం ఉందో, దానివల్ల ఎలాంటి అభివృద్ధి జరుగుతుందో దాని గురించి మనం అవసరాన్ని ఏదైతే మనం అనుకున్నామో అవసరానికి తగ్గట్టుగా ఇస్తే అందరూ
Definitely that is thing. But see, in our house also, if there are two brothers, but only one brother will have the dominating hand. Not necessarily he is elder, he could be younger also. But how everybody will listen to him. Whatever he says is the final thing. Everybody trust him. Happens in our families. We will say, he's telling everybody are listening, I am telling nobody is listening. There is a skill, there is a knack. How to convince others about your idea. CAPP, Chairmanship and Parliamentary Procedures is that thing. Imagine if Modi ji is presenting one bill, triple talaq. Triple talaq bill when he has presented. Imagine how he might have convinced so many people to vote for that bill to come into existence. Even opposition parties have voted. Yes. Section 370. Imagine what he spoke, that people got convinced and he said, okay, everybody have said, all MPs, MLAs have said, let's do this. Only Rahul Gandhi, if he speaks. This is just an example of how a leader motivates and how he convinces others to get that thing done. Ultimately, the leadership का role क्या रहता? To get things done is leadership. To do things is not leadership. Friends, to do things is not leadership. To get things done is leadership. If you are doing, you are not a leader. If you are getting that thing done from someone, you are a leader. That is the difference between leader and a doer.
इसलिए मोदी जो भी पद पता है उसमें आदमी होता है.
आप करवाना तो आप लीडर बनेंगे, आप करेंगे तो आप फॉलोअर बनेंगे.
उसका मसला ही बोलता है सबको फाइनेंस का.
एक हिंदी में एक कहावत है, भीड़ मीन्स क्राउड. भीड़ का हिस्सा मत बनो, भीड़ की वजह बनो. डोंट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्राउड, बी द रीजन फॉर दैट क्राउड. If you stand, there should be a crowd. You don't be a part of that crowd. Then there is a leadership ladder, zone trainers workshop, national train the trainers workshop. It is a national level where all the national trainers come meet. So if you have someone assignment in of a friend in Hyderabad, a Delhi person wants to get something done in Hyderabad training. He will not come from Delhi. He will contact you people. So this is opportunity.
The 23rd, which is the last one. The 23rd of every year.
23rd May is celebrated as a training day. Yes.
Are we eligible to attend that?
Online also, offline also. It depends upon our leader. If you all wishes to conduct it physically, yes, you will do physically. Is of your choice. You want to come and do it in Hyderabad? Yes, we will arrange it there. If you can plan 23rd May as a whole zone event, take lead whole zone event. All Hyderabad and Nizamabad, Warangal, I will ensure that everybody from Raichur also collect themselves. They are participating in Hyderabad and they will do that training. Very good program it will become. You will network with so many people in Hyderabad. 23rd May is coming. We have 2 months planning that way. So these are some training modules that JCI India will give. It will conduct. So once you become a part of JCI, this all will be accessible to you. And these are all free of cost. No need to pay. Only if you are coming for a day of food charges, staying if you want to stay, only that you have to pay. Nothing, no extra cost. And that will be how much? 4,000 rupees a session, or 2,000. If it is a 1 day, it will be around 1,500 to 2,000. If it is a 2 days, it will be 4,000. 4,000, 5,000, that's it. Right, Mahesh? This is program area. They have started a challenge called Clean Plate Challenge. This is to bring an awareness in everybody that food is very precious. It takes a lot of efforts for a farmer to grow from the seed to the grain. And very important for the person who is cooking. So that is a disrespect for everyone, right from the farmer to the nature to the person who is cooking. that you are leaving something in your plate and throwing it away. So there is a challenge in this total India, pan-India challenge, a clean plate challenge. So everybody are eating, taking a photo with the plate that is a clean plate and they are uploading it in Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So that way the people are also following that. 100%. During lunch we will start that clean plate challenge. You know that clean Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Who started this? Wrong. It is not Modi ji who has started. It is JCI who has given that idea to Modi ji. Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. Who started? Wrong. It is Modi ji who started. You know that बीच में समाधान project was started by Modi government. What is समाधान? To provide that toilets in places where they don't have that facility. That idea was also given by JCI India. Samadhan, Suraksha. Again, one project was there, Suraksha. Lot of our female colleagues, female mothers, sisters, daughters, they go through a very painful days in 1 month, every month. It becomes very difficult for them to dispose of that sanitary waste. People are not properly hygienic in using the required material. They use anything, cloth, and they dispose it anywhere. You know how much hazardous it is? So JCI India has come up with, these are the problems that JCI identifies, then gives solutions. And we tell the government to implement that. We also implement. We are the major implementing people. So that machines were started where the disposable waste can be put at that machine and at 800 degrees centigrade, that machine combusts everything. There is nothing left. There is no, only that dust will be there. And that is totally, matlab it is not hazardous. You can use it as a manure also then. It connected है सर. Connected JCI का आइडिया गवर्नमेंट के पास गया. गवर्नमेंट का आइडिया बॉलीवुड पीपल आर चोर. They will copycats. PR कर लिए वो, they became famous. One more program it has started, Daan. Daan means to give. So many people who are every day sleeping hungry, waking up hungry, staying hungry. So what we can do is we can give them one-time food. If we eat this much, let us start eating this much. This portion we can give. We will not die, but we will ensure they are not dying. It's a very important thing. Here what you are doing, if you ask me, out of these two projects, sir, which one you prefer? I will prefer this. Because here every day I am feeding, I am taking, I am feeding, I am taking, I am feeding. Here I will ensure that he will come to a situation where nobody should come and feed him or her. Educating a child. So JCI India is, again, it has a foundation, JCI India Foundation, where it educates almost 20,000 girl students every year. And how it is done? We give a small contribution, 3,000 rupees per girl child for 1 year education. So that contributions as a member, if anybody is willing to give, they will contribute that. You will get that certificate. And through that money, 20,000 to 22,000 girl child are being educated by JCI India. In business area also you have a lot of opportunities. JCOM is something which is come new. It's called JC's Chamber of Commerce. So you have a lot of businessmen meetings every month you meet for business. So relevant for business people. Relevant for business people to expand their network for business. And professionals also they can come. I was talking about JCI India. So this is a contribution that you give for educating girl child or maybe a child. Starts from 3,000 rupees and we have 10 lakh rupees also. There are people who are contributing 10 lakhs, there are people who have contributed 5 lakhs, people have contributed 50,000. Everybody are there. Vijay Bhaiya and myself are JCI senators. It is an international recognition. That is $700. So we have contributed for that. It is on an international level. This is for an India level. All education, only education. This money what is collected is only for the education of girl child. How members is तीन लगा मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना सर. As an individual you will never change. As a leader you will change. Individual को पता ही नहीं रहता कि उसको क्या करना है. But leader को पता है वो क्या करना है. But क्या करना important नहीं है, क्या करवाना है वही तो बता रहा हूँ. Leadership is not what you do, it is how you get things done. अब जब आप तीन वो लगाए हैं, it should be the leaders वो आपके जो एरिया का जो लीडर रहता है उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि he will educate कि भाई ड्राई वेस्ट इसमें जाना है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और हजार्डस वेस्ट इसमें डालना है एंड वेट वेस्ट इसमें डालना है. देन जो क्लब आते हैं ना वो दे कलेक्ट इट सेपरेटली. अरे क्योंकि तीनों का एक में डालेंगे तो वो भी एक ही गाड़ी भेजेगा ना. हाँ वो वैसे ही होता है. बट इन माय सोसाइटी विद द कॉलोनी वेयर आई स्टे देयर आर 3 व्हेन्स इट कम्स. 6 o'clock मॉर्निंग वो जो स्मेलिंग वाला जो वेट वेस्ट है it will come that vehicle comes first. It only takes that can and it goes. It empties that can. Then 2 o'clock electronic waste वाला आता है. Electronic और hazardous waste. Then dry waste it comes in the evening 5 o'clock. Because वो separate people are throwing in that. Awareness करें तो people will do. If you give awareness, if you give that information, people will do. But there should be someone to tell that. So he becomes that leader. That was what I was telling. अभी we throw the dry waste in wet in dry, hazardous everywhere. So he will also see, अरे all are in same can, send only one vehicle. So he will send one vehicle, he will empty that same vehicle, it goes. Even hazardous, that wet waste, you know what? Wet waste is generally used for making manure, recycled manure, composite for farmers. But why we are also putting hazardous waste? It's entirely going into burning. We are wasting so much manure, you know. We are using because of that fertilizing industry. Fertilizers are growing. We are not able to supply. But manure can come from individual household. If we can solve that problem, then fertilizers, what the food what we will eat 10 years, 15 years afterwards, no, it will be again the same food that our grandmothers used to eat. The food what we are eating is not food; it is fertilizers that we are eating. Mostly I have covered what JCI is, what opportunities that JCI has given me as an individual, you as an individual, how you can get. Mahesh is also from JCI, Nizamabad Spurti, and now I request our past zone vice president, like I am the current vice president, we have a past zone vice president. How many of you drink tea here? Tea, chai. How many of you drink? सब पीते हैं. Everybody drinks tea. How many tea? Average. Daily how many tea you drink? 2, 3, 1, 2. What is the cost of tea? I don't drink tea. I don't know that.
10 rupees each.
10 rupees tea. So 5 rupees. And what do you get after drinking tea?
थोड़ा relax हो जाए.
नहीं, घर पे भी पीते, बाहर भी if you are spending it. So what do you get? What do you get? I am understanding. People drink, smoke cigarettes also. I don't know. They know it is bad for health still. So what do you get after drinking, smoking cigarette? Drinking tea is good thing. Not telling them to stop. No, because I stopped drinking tea because after drinking tea, that acidity problem started in me. My alarm also went off. Fine. So, average I see there are tea totalers totally drinking teas a day, 30 rupees per day. So 30 into 30, 900 rupees you are spending for tea in 1 month. Right? 1000 rupees approximately. In 1 month you are spending 1000 rupees for tea, and in 12 months you are spending almost 12,000 rupees for tea. Huh? 12,000 rupees and satisfaction you are getting. नेटवर्क बढ़ रहा है उससे, कुछ ग्रोथ हुआ बिजनेस में या प्रोफेशन में, कुछ मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स आ गए उससे नहीं है. वो नवरत्न तेल लगाने से भी होता नहीं. कुछ मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स आए आपने ड्रिंकिंग टी, कुछ पीआर मार्केटिंग हुआ अपना नहीं हुआ, कुछ ट्रेनिंग मिला गया उससे. वो आई नो दैट टीचर्स पीने के बाद तो ट्रेनिंग में चले जाते हैं. बस 12,000 वी आर स्पेंडिंग, नॉट कंपेयरिंग, नॉट डिमोटिवेटिंग. टी नहीं पीना करके नहीं, आई एम जस्ट कंपेयरिंग द कॉस्ट. ये 3,000 रुपीज में इट इज चेंजिंग योर लाइफ्स. पर डे 10 रुपीज, 3,000 rupees. The membership for JCI is only 3,000 rupees. But it gives you that opportunity to change your life. एक आपका बिजनेस एक हो गया तो आपका 3,000 महीना निकल जाता. आपका ट्रेनिंग, if you are successful trainers and if you grab opportunities to train corporates, आपका 3,000 कहीं पर भी that investment it will be recovered in no time. The amount of network that you make. नेटवर्क का मतलब इट इज नॉट ओनली अर्निंग. इफ यू वांट टू बाय समथिंग, सम बिग एसी और समथिंग, एंड यू नो दैट इट इज अ जेसीआई मेंबर, आपको एडिशनल 2,000 रुपीज डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है उसके ऊपर. दैट इज अ सेविंग, दैट इज अ अर्निंग फॉर यू. राइट? मनी सेव्ड इज मनी अर्न. ऑटोमेटिकली ये 3,000 तो ऐसे निकल जाए. दैट इज अ कंपैरिजन आई एम टेलिंग. 12,000 रुपीज यू आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन टी, वी डोंट माइंड, बट टू इन्वेस्ट ऑन आवरसेल्फ we think a lot. 3,000 rupees 1 year. 3,000 rupees 1 year is, don't compare that. 10 rupees per day. Drink, people who are taking 3 teas, 3, drink 2. Come here. यहाँ पर महेश ऐसे इवेंट्स करता है तो टी इज फ्री. वहाँ पर एडजस्टेड कोटा. राइट? So Mahesh, see if anybody is willing to join your chapter, it will be beneficial for your chapter. Nothing to do with me. I have come here on your invitation to talk about JCI because it has certainly changed my life. I am into the business of, I have 3 verticals. My business group name is Barnecha Group. We are from Hyderabad. We are into 3 businesses. One is construction and real estate. Second is auto finance, the 3-wheelers that you have, the passenger autos. We finance them. And third is interior products. We import wooden flooring, carpets for hospital and hospitality industries and residentials also. Network has given me that opportunity to expand all over India for interior products. The other thing, we are only concentrated in Hyderabad, the finance and real estate. But the interior products business I have developed through JCI. So that is the experience that I am sharing, how it has helped. It might, but you have to grab. If you sit and say, "Arey, JCI is doing nothing for me," no, you have to work. Network का मतलब है network. You have to work so that you get that benefits out of that network. So Mahesh, over to you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for being a patient listener. If you have any questions, any 2-3 people or maybe few questions if you want to know, you can ask us. We are here to address them. And also I will tell you one thing. Fine. Any questions? Yes. English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Punjabi, Gujarati. What do you tell?
In English only, but teaching.
Material will be no. You will, if you request, they will give the material in Telugu also. Matlab, they will give it to in Hindi, English. Here, our trainers will again convert that into Telugu and they can show. There is no age limit for learning. You can come.
छोटा सा डाउट है आपके लिए।
बिल्कुल सर।
आप तो कर रहे हैं ना रियल एस्टेट में इंटीरियर डिजाइन आपका बिजनेस कभी कर सकता है अगर आप बोले बच्चा बड़ा था तो उसका बिजनेस बदलने के जो काम है आप क्यों नहीं प्रोफेशन में क्यों नहीं
किसमें लेते हैं?
देश बदलने का
हाँ।
तो वो करता अच्छा रहता
वो करे तो वो बिजनेस करे तो अच्छा रहता। मेरा अभी एक स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्टमेंट है. वी आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग दिस इंसुलिनेटर्स दैट वी आर डूइंग. इट्स इन nascent stage. मेरा that startup company is called Elementra Enterprises Private Limited. It is a company from Hyderabad. I am one of the investors in that. Incinerators, वो सुरक्षा machines where you put that all waste, wood burns. Okay, sir. ये आइडिया इसी से हुआ सर, इसीलिए तो हम वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन दैट कंपनी. Grabbing opportunities are everywhere, but we need to identify what is right for us. वो भी होता सर, वो भी everything. कोविड के टाइम पे we have supplied so many machines to hospitals. ये जो मास्क है, ग्लव्स है, that dress, everything can be put in that and it will be combusted. 800 degrees heat.
బట్ జనరల్లీ మీరందరూ కూడా ఇప్పుడు గుర్తుంచుకోండి, బాంబేలో ఉన్న రీసెంట్గా స్టీవ్ హార్డిక్స్ అని వచ్చారు. దాని ఎంట్రీ ఫీ 25,000 రూపీస్. స్టేట్లో ఉన్న ఆల్ డిగ్నిటరీస్ ఎవరైతే స్పీకర్స్ ఉన్నారో, మోటివేషన్ స్పీకర్స్ కానీ డిఫరెంట్ ట్రైనర్స్ కానీ అందరూ కూడా వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది. అందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళ ఫేస్బుక్లో పోస్ట్ చేశారు. మనము బిఫోర్ జాయినింగ్ ఇంటూ ద ఇంపాక్ట్ ఫౌండేషన్ అండ్ జేసీఐ నేను కూడా అనుకునేవాను 3,000 2,000 ఇదంతా మ్యాజిక్ అంటే డబ్బులు సంపాదించడం, ఈ డబ్బుల కొరకు ఇలా అనుకున్నాం. కానీ మనము చుట్టూ ఎవరితో ఉంటున్నాం, మేము మార్నింగ్ చెప్పాను కదా, అది చాలా ప్రాధాన్యత ఏర్పడుతుంది. మనం ఇప్పుడు జేసీఐ ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత మనం ఒక ట్రైనింగ్ ఫీల్డ్కి వెళ్ళామనుకోండి, అక్కడ కలిసే వ్యక్తులు వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఆలోచనలు అనేది టాప్ స్టేజ్లో ఉంటుంది. ఉన్నతమైన ఆలోచన అవునా, ఎలా డెవలప్ అవ్వాలి, ఎలా మనం స్పీడ్గా వెళ్ళాలి, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ అని కలుస్తాం. అదే డబ్బులు అనేది మ్యాటర్ కాదు. జేసీఐలో కూడా తీసుకునేది కేవలం ఇంపాక్ట్లో ఎలా అయితే మనం తీసుకుంటున్నామో ఓన్లీ ఫుడ్ అండ్ అకామిడేషన్. ఏబుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయచూర్లో ఉంది. 25,000 3.5 days. సూపర్గా ఉంటుంది. మనం 3.5 days టైం ఇవ్వగలిగే బిజినెస్ వాళ్ళు. ఎస్, బిజినెస్ వేద. ద నేమ్ ఇస్ బిజినెస్ వేద. ఇట్లా చాలా ఉంటాయండి. మనం నిజామాబాద్ స్ఫూర్తి అని కేవలం ఇంపాక్ట్ ట్రైనర్స్ నుండే తయారు చేసాం. ఓకేనండి, ఇంపాక్ట్ ట్రైనర్స్ అందరం కలిసి ఒక విలువ తయారు చేసాం. దాంట్లో 25 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. మన వాళ్ళే అందరు ట్రైనర్స్గా ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఎవరికైనా యూజ్ అవుతుంది సార్ మా ట్రైనింగ్ బిజినెస్లో నెట్వర్క్ అనుకుంటే మీరు కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. 3,000 రూపీస్ ఎంట్రీ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ అనేది. మీ యొక్క అడ్రస్ 3,000 రూపీస్ సరిపోతుంది. ఎస్, హోల్ ఇయర్ 3,000 రూపీస్ అంటే హోల్ ఇయర్. ఎప్పుడెప్పుడైతే ట్రైనింగ్స్ ఉంటాయో ఆ గ్రూప్ లో సపరేట్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుంది మనకు, ఆ గ్రూప్ లో మీకు మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం. మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే వెళ్ళొచ్చు, నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. చాలా సెషన్స్ ఇప్పటి వరకు మార్చ్ వరకు మేము 2-3 సెషన్స్ హైదరాబాద్కి వెళ్ళాము, వైజాగ్ వెళ్ళాము, అటెండ్ అయ్యి వచ్చాము. చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాం. పర్ ఇయర్ 3,000 మెంబర్షిప్. తర్వాత డిఫరెంట్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఫీల్డ్కి ఒక 1 డే ఉంటే 500 ఉంటుంది, 1000 ఉంటుంది, 1500 ఉంటుంది. అది వేరే విషయం. ఓకేనా? నో ప్రాబ్లం బేటా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఎందుకంటే మనం ట్రైనింగ్ కామారెడ్డి లేదు, కామారెడ్డిలో ఎన్వో లేదు. మీరందరూ కూడా దీంట్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. మనం ఒకటే ట్రైనింగ్స్ ఉంటే నిజామాబాద్లో ఉంటే లేదంటే హైదరాబాద్ ఉంటే అంతే. ఒకటే సార్, 2 ఉన్నాయి. ఒక టీము, ఒకటి ఇందూరు ఉంది, ఒకటి స్ఫూర్తి ఉంది. ఓకే అంతే. ఎస్. కాబట్టి ఇంకా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా నాకు అడగవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ దే ఆర్ ప్రెజెంటింగ్ ఫైల్స్ అండ్ బ్యాచెస్ టు అవర్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్. ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఆల్రెడీ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి ఫైల్స్ మనకు బ్యాచెస్ ఇస్తున్నాం. ఆల్ అవర్ మెంటర్స్ అండ్ ట్రైనర్స్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ టు ద స్టేజ్.
All these members have joined last year,
Congratulations,
November
sir.
2022, right? Right?
Yes, already
2022, already
all are
joined.
joined, but some are absent on the day installation. Please take a photo.
క్వశ్చన్ అడగలేదండి సార్కి, ఏమన్నా అడగాలి కదా ఇలాంటి మహానుభావులు
Sir, పక్కన రండి.
గొప్ప వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నా అడిగితే బాగుంటుంది.
మనకి ఎక్కువ టైం లేదు.
అడగదు.
Who is taking photos?
Sir.
Please only one.
సార్ ఓన్లీ ఒకరే తీసుకునే వాళ్ళు రావాలా?
సరిపోదు.